Welcome to beautiful Aventura. A warm welcome to our members and a special welcome to our international colleagues.
I'm here for the first time. I'm so excited that I'm here today.
This is my second time at the event and just looking towards doing the accreditation process.
I love the AACD, mostly the people, the education, the energy is just incredible.
The reason I come here is to motivate myself and get some world-class education. I couldn't be where I am without the American Academy, so I love coming every year. The social events are great, the education's world-class.
This is our newest technology, which is a 3D microscope.
This is our newest product. It's called an ergo loop. We call it an infinity view.
We make 3D printed zirconia veneers down to less than 1/10 of a millimeter thick.
I'm here representing our Omnichroma product. It's a single shade composite. Shade matches any two color from A1 to D4.
We're here today to showcase our new material that we have out called Ceram Art.
We are helping patients to get financed for all of the large procedures that these providers do. So excited to be here.
We just love coming to the event. I love coming. I've been coming for years, either as an exhibitor or as an attendee. The dentists that are here appreciate quality, and we've enjoyed it.
This year, Give Back a Smile surpassed $20 million in donated dental services since the program began.
This is the Give Back a Smile booth, where we are raising funds for survivors of domestic and sexual violence with damaged and missing teeth. We are here every year at the conference, and we are so happy to see all of our supporters and volunteers. Thank you so much for your help and your support.
People here have been just so friendly, so nice, and an open book about everything, and it's just lucky to meet such nice people here.